Peach cobbler, Southern classic, right? But we know how hard it is to make. I mean, you gotta cut up the peaches, you gotta get the whole sauce, everything together, and then you also gotta make that pastry, and it takes all day long. Well, I've got a solution for you. This easy peach cobbler made with Bisquick, y'all. And it's so simple. You can prep this thing in minutes, use canned peaches, and go about your summer day, okay? Because ain't nobody got time to spend all day in the kitchen making peach cobbler. I'm gonna show you how to make that thing in minutes and get your whole life back. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. Now, we're gonna add your Bisquick, pour in the milk, and slide in that melted butter in a baking dish. Now mix it up. If you see some clumps, no probs, just let it sit to the side and move on. Time to dress up the peaches. We're gonna add just some sugar, some cinnamon, some salt, and nutmeg and vanilla all in one bowl. And mix it up like you're trying to impress somebody's grandma, okay? Everything should be nice and coated and glossy and just perfection. Now here's where folks mess up this super easy recipe. Don't stir. Just gently spoon that peach mixture right on top of your Bisquick mix. Let it float. Don't you touch it. Trust the process. Pop that dish in the oven at 350 and then bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes. That's your golden window. When the top's giving golden brown, y'all, and the edges are nice and bubbly and bold, that's when it's ready to snatch wigs. When you are in a pinch of time and you just need something fast, this'll do it. This'll do it right here.